My Stomach.
My stomach.
Written by Rachel Rice. Illustrated by Darren McKee. Focus question. Why is your stomach an important part of your body? A yummy smell is in the air.
A yummy smell is in the air.
My brain tells me that smell is my favorite food.
My brain tells me that smell is my favorite food.
My brain sends a message to
My brain sends a message
my mouth and my stomach.
to my mouth and my stomach.
My mouth starts to water
My mouth starts to water
and my stomach grumbles.
and my stomach grumbles.
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
My stomach tells me so.
My stomach tells me so.
My stomach is a part of my body.
My stomach is a part of my body.
My stomach helps my body break down the food it needs.
My stomach helps my body break down the food it needs.
Food gives my body energy and helps it grow.
Food gives my body energy and helps it grow.
My stomach is part of my digestive system.
My stomach is part of my digestive system.
My digestive system is one of my body's.
My digestive system is one of my body's
systems that keep me alive.
systems that keep me alive.
My mouth is the first stop
My mouth is the first stop
in my digestive system.
in my digestive system.
My teeth, tongue, and saliva start to break down my food.
My teeth, tongue, and saliva starts to break down my food.
I chew, bite, and mash with my teeth and tongue.
I chew, bite, and gnash with my teeth and tongue.
Saliva mixes with the food in my mouth.
Saliva mixes in the food in my mouth.
Saliva is a digestive juice that feels like water in my mouth.
Saliva is a digestive juice that feels like water in my mouth.
The food in my mouth becomes smaller and easier to swallow.
The food in my mouth becomes smaller and easier to swallow.
Next, the food travels from my mouth down a tube to my stomach.
Next, the food travels from my mouth down a tube to my stomach.
My stomach is like a sack
My stomach is like a sack
that catches the food.
that catches the food.
The food mixes with more digestive juices in my stomach.
The food mixes with more digestive juice in my stomach.
My stomach mixes and squeezes my food to break it down more.
My stomach mixes and squeezes my food to break it down more.
The food needs to be smaller
The food needs to be smaller
to travel farther into my digestive system.
to travel farther into my
Next,
digestive system.
my stomach sends the food
Next, my stomach sends the food
through about 20 feet,
through about 20 feet,
about 6 meters
about 6 meters
of tubes.
of tubes.
Other parts of my digestive system add juices to break down the food more.
Other parts to my digestive systems are used to break down the food more.
The tubes help my body use what it can from my food.
The tubes help my body use what it can from my food.
Where the tubes end,
When the tubes end,
my body gets rid of the waste it can't use.
my body gets rid of the waste it can use.
I eat until my stomach feels full.
I eat until my stomach feels full,
And it sends a message to my brain.
and it sends a message to my brain.
I am not hungry anymore.
I am not hungry anymore.
My stomach tells me so.
My stomach tells me so.